Hi there, students. To spruce up, to spruce something up, a phrasal verb, a separable one. This means to make something look better, to make someone or something look cleaner, tidier, to improve its general appearance. Yeah, making it neater or by adding decorations. If we put a bunch of flowers on the table, it'll spruce this room up no end. I had a shave and a shower before I went to my interview to spruce myself up. Yeah, to make myself look better, to smarten myself up. Yeah, to smarten myself. The company used an advertising agency to spruce up its image, yeah, to make its image look better, to make its image look more acceptable. Okay, so to spruce something up, yeah, to make it look neater, cleaner, more attractive. I spruced up my bedroom with a coat of paint. I'm going out to dinner, so I need to spruce myself up. Yeah, to make myself look more elegant, to make myself smarter and neaten. So to smarten up, yeah, to make myself look better. Okay, notice a spruce is a type of tree. I think a Christmas tree is a spruce. Yeah, and actually that's the origin of this word. The word spruce actually comes from Prusse, which means Prussia, and people believe that spruce trees come from Prussia. Okay, and that's the origin of it, but we use it to mean to make look better, to spruce up, but it needs to be with the up to make the phrasal verb. Notice as well, to spruce up is a regular verb. I spruced myself up. He spruced himself up and is ready now. As to formality, spruce myself up. This is a phrasal verb, 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, most certainly. Maybe you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but in a very formal writing, I wouldn't use spruce up. To make look smarter, to smarten perhaps. Yes, so to spruce up, to make something look better. Yes, notice again, as I said at the beginning, it's separable. He spruced himself up. Yeah? Let me spruce you up. Let me take these dog hairs off your suit and let me put your tie straight. And then, yeah, we need to brush and comb your hair as well. And yeah, a shave wouldn't go amiss to spruce you up a bit as well. Okay, so to spruce yourself up, before you go out, you need to spruce yourself up. You could use it in metaphorically as well, to spruce up an image, to spruce up, what else? I don't know, the atmosphere of a place. Yeah, the atmosphere in this restaurant needs to be spruced up. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Spruce up.